Ever face the panic of accidentally deleting a crucial text message on your iPhone, thinking that important conversation is lost forever? Well, don't worry, because today we're diving deep into how you can actually retrieve those deleted messages and salvage that vital information. Our first and often most successful method involves checking your iCloud backup. Start by going into your iPhone settings. Tap on your Apple ID at the very top. Next, select iCloud, and then tap on iCloud Backup here. You'll see the date and time of your last successful backup. Now, this next step involves erasing your iPhone. To restore from that backup, go back to Settings, then General, and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Once your iPhone restarts, you'll see the setup screen. Continue through the setup process until you reach the Apps and Data screen. Here, you must choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple ID and select the most recent backup before you deleted the messages. Your iPhone will then begin restoring. This can take some time depending on your backup size and internet speed. Once complete, your deleted messages should reappear. If restoring from iCloud doesn't yield results, or if you don't have a recent backup, another option is to use third-party data recovery software. These programs can often scan your iPhone directly to find and recover deleted files, including text messages. You'll typically connect your iPhone to your computer, run the software, and follow its prompts. With these methods, you can significantly increase your chances of retrieving those lost conversations and keeping your important iPhone data safe. So, don't despair. Your deleted messages might just be a few steps away from being back in your site.